Where are my glasses? It's not really a rant. It's just something so obvious to me. You know, I am a lover of movies, all types of genres, categories.
Now we come to Dick Tracy. You know, I love the title, but the movie just left me limp.
You know, and I really like, movies, and sometimes when I watch them, I'm directing too much. But what Hollywood does, with all its innovation, all its modern technology, and I'm older, sound effects, Hollywood has not perfected yet the sound of the punch. A slap is a slap. But have you ever seen an MMA fight, or you ever got hit in the face? He has. There's no...
He has.
And that's the fucking sound that Hollywood gives you today. Because when you punch someone, it's no sound. But Hollywood gives you... Don't ask me how I do that sound. I'm a professional. But that's bothered me for years. It has to go. That's their version of a punch in the face. Now, he can attest to a punch in the face, because daily, I'm sure. But it doesn't sound like that. It doesn't.
You done? Getting that off your chest?
Thank you. Doesn't that bother you?
That concludes Brian's rant.
You? You're supposed to be a friend. It's going on 10 years, folks. I've known him. 10 years.
That's it, please. Brian's rant.
It's true.
Guys,
it bothers
comment,
me.
subscribe.
It bothers me.
Comment, subscribe.
Why you? Where the fuck you get that sound from? Someone in 1920, the MGM owner or someone from Fox or Paramount, do that as a punch in the face. But it doesn't sound like that. Just do it.
Okay. Comment, subscribe, guys. Let Brian know if you agree with his punch in the face sound effect theory.
You will. You will. And you will.
See you next time, guys.